welcome back to my channel, and hello to my health fam. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So this is going to be a really cute and short video. This is going to be uploaded on Monday and it will be officially week 2 of Candy's Keto Challenge. As you know, us YouTubers, we record in advance. So I'm currently recording this on Wednesday, a couple of days before, but I just want to talk about what has changed in the updates and the things and what's been going on with me. So the first big thing, I know the first thing that I always want to hear when I'm watching somebody and they're on some type of diet plan or whatever is, have you lost any weight yet, sis? Yes, even in the first week you want to know. So while I'm not going to be disclosing my starting weight and how much I've lost in like numbers until the end of the month, because I want to give it a full month, I'm going to tell y'all that I did lose 5 pounds this week. I am super duper excited about that. Well, 5 pounds last week. This week so far, I've been steady. I haven't had any other weight loss. I do know my cycle is coming in a few days, so honestly, I don't expect any more weight loss. I did finally take my measurements, and my measurements for May will be down below. In June, I'll do those measurements again and we will see and compare. I definitely suggest, and I'm going to post that on Snapchat today, since it's the beginning of the month, that it makes sense to go ahead and do your measurements. Now let's get into more of the practical, how I've been feeling, how the first few days were and everything like that. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, so the first few days of keto were definitely challenging, and it was challenging, y'all, because I'll be honest, after I had came back from vacation, yes, even in October, I just kind of got back into my regular eating routine. I was eating not large amounts of foods, but I was eating whatever I wanted. So if I wanted, a donut, I had a donut. But I was working out as well. If I wanted cookies, I had cookies. If I wanted a hamburger, I had a hamburger. I was eating pretty much everything. So when I went back into keto and I just cut all of that out, and remember, I went on the day after Thanksgiving, so I had just ate macaroni and cheese the previous day. It was super hard for me. Those first 3 days, I was pretty tired. I was pretty fatigued. I think the only thing, honestly, that helped me is I continued to work out. Even though the first day 1 and day 2 was challenging, by day 3, I could feel my energy improving. And then by day 4, it was just like, okay, I'm really doing this. I'm sticking to this. This is cool. I actually even went out to dinner on Wednesday. That Wednesday, I went out to dinner and I actually ended up having crab legs. It was delicious. And everyone around me was ordering a bunch of carb-loaded food, but I think because I had crab legs that day, y'all, I wasn't tripping too much. I treated myself. I had crab legs. I had crab legs twice last week, and then I had actual steamed crabs. So I was like, listen, you gotta treat yourself sometime, one step at a time. We're already on a diet, y'all. I had steak too. So I was just treating myself to some really, fatty, delicious, high quality foods last week. In terms of energy, I'm super energetic now. If you cannot feel that bouncing off of the camera, let me just give you some of that energy. I'm super energetic. I have been having a little bit of insomnia, which I know can be a side effect. I've created a 7-day meal plan. I pretty much stuck to that meal plan. I didn't deviate from it very much, except when I went out to dinner. One day I did go out to dinner. The only other things I didn't do was the small stuff. Like I didn't make the chicken salad or the tuna salad or anything like that. Those things were supposed to be for lunch in my meal plan. But honestly, there's only 3 of us at home, so there's always a lot of leftovers. There was no need for me to make anything additionally for lunch. My water intake has definitely improved, so I'm super happy about that. I just think that this diet almost makes you want water even more. It's so full of sodium, it's so full of salt. Another thing that I want to talk about, just getting a little personal, but I haven't had any issues with my bowels. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a long time, like right after I had surgery, when I was introducing food, and even when I did keto previously, I had issues with going to the bathroom. But I will say I've been eating salad religiously every single day. After I'm done recording, I'm about to go eat a salad. I'm just loving it, and the fact that I can put ranch and Italian on it. I am loving doing this. I want to say to people who are interested in joining the Candy Keto Challenge, there is like no monetary prize. There is no point of when you can join into this challenge. We originally, yes, we started the 22nd, but guess what? If you want to start this Monday coming up, if you want to start next Monday, if you want to start at the beginning of June and just do like a 21 countdown to summer, that'd be pretty cool. Join at any time. I've already decided that I am just committed to doing this keto until I get to my goal weight. That's just the way it has to be. I want to get to my goal weight. The number that I want to see on the scale is 200 pounds. So I am going to fight for that, and I'm just going to stick it out with keto. So at this point, you can join at any point. My Instagram name is candy_is_shrinking. I don't want to make this video too long, y'all. I just wanted to simply come and say I'm feeling great. I feel like my skin is looking great. I have been enjoying this diet. I've had a few ups and downs. I definitely encourage you all to watch my Instagram, watch my Snapchat, watch me on Facebook. I post about these things continuously on a daily, so you don't always think that everything is all shits and laughters and giggles when I come here and I seem so happy. I want y'all to see the daily grind, the daily hustle, and everything that it takes. I also want to do another keto Q&A video, so that's another reason why I'm supposed to post this video. Comment down below and let me know any questions that you have about keto. Any questions that you have about weight loss surgery, I'm going to do a video on that as well. I wanted to check in with my health family, make sure y'all still staying strong. And if you have not joined the Candy Keto Challenge and you just sitting and you watching this video, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, join the challenge. I have a free 7-day meal plan. Download it. It's free. It's good food. Because I like to eat, honey. I got thick thighs, thick all that. I like to eat. Okay, and I like good food, so I only put delicious food on the menu plan. Definitely download it. If you've downloaded it, you've tried some of the recipes, comment down below and let me know how you're liking it. Anyways, I don't want to keep rambling too much longer. Thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Thank you for supporting my weight loss journey, as I'm here to support yours as well. And I'll see y'all next time. Stay healthy.